Okay, grade 7, lesson 5.1. What they're asking you to do is look in your textbook. When you look in your textbook, you're going to see these geometry shapes or geometric shapes. They've given this shape, the hexagon, hex meaning 6, okay, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They've given the hexagon a value of 1. Okay? These shapes have been given a value of 1/6, 1/3, and 1/2. And they get their value because if you were to chop this whole into pieces, these are the shapes you'd end up with. So if I wanted to cut the hexagon into sixths, okay. Oh. Anyway. You can see that I end up with that shape when I cut it into 6, okay? If I wanted to cut it in half, I end up with that shape, okay? So that's how they have ascribed these different shapes the values of 1/6, 1/3, 1/2. So the question that's asking you, or the questions it asks you, is to fill in or create certain fractions using these shapes. So, for example, if I wanted to fill in half of the whole, okay, I just go like this, like that. Okay, there it is. That becomes 1/2. The red portion is exactly 1/2 of the hexagon. Okay, if you want to get a little more complicated, we can use two shapes to make different fractions. So if it asks me to use two geometry or geographic shapes, geometric shapes, to create a certain fraction, we can do that. So say we wanted to create a half using two shapes. Well, let's try our third, and this guy here, and we've just filled in 1/2 using two geometric shapes. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. We wanted to make, I wonder if I can even do that with these two shapes. There we go. Let's fill in, you know, now we've got 4/6 or 2/3 filled in with two different geometric shapes. So that's all it's asking you to do for lesson 5.1.